Hi guys, welcome to Talking Tech with Ocean. I have new devices here right now, kind courtesy of Samsung Ghana, and these are devices from the new Galaxy A series lineup of devices for 2022. I have here the A13 as well as the A73, and in this video I'm going to share my first impressions or first thoughts on these devices. And this is not a full review. If you're looking for a full review, be on the lookout for that in the coming weeks. So yeah, I'm Desi, by the way, and let's get right into today's video. Let's begin with the Galaxy A13. From behind, this has a striking resemblance to the Galaxy S22 Ultra because of how the cameras have been arranged. I'm pretty sure that's where they drew the inspiration from, and that's good for us, the consumers. This is plastic, and I'm really digging the color. This is blue, obviously, but there are other colors available, from black, white, and peach. I've seen the peach and it looks really good. There's also a Samsung inscription down here, but let's check the sides and the rest of the phone. So on the left side houses the SIM card tray, which doubles as an SD card slot or dual SIM cards. At the top there's a microphone, and on the right there's a power button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner, and we also have the volume rockers. At the bottom, my good old friend, the headphone jack, another microphone, a USB Type-C charging port, and a single speaker grill. On the front is a 6.6-inch water drop display with a water drop notch housing a front-facing camera, which this entire screen is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. Talking of cameras, the main camera sensor on here is a 50 megapixel f1.8 wide camera. There's also a 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor, with a selfie camera being 8 megapixels. You can't record videos in 4K, but you can record decent videos in 1080p 30 frames per second. The latest software for Android systems is Android 12, and the Galaxy A13 isn't left out as it comes pre-installed with One UI 4.1 Android 12. What I have here has an internal storage of 32GB and 3GB of RAM, which is the base model. You can go as high as 128GB, 6GB of RAM, which for a mid-range device is quite impressive. There's also a 5000 mAh battery. If I'm not mistaken, all the A series for this year come with this capacity. It's supposed to last 48 hours on a single charge, and so far I think it has, but I'll be doing an actual test on that later. Now on to the Galaxy A73. I don't know why they're classifying this as a mid-range device, to me because it can definitely pass as a flagship. Box edge design, glass tick back. Doesn't this look premium? Let's see. Again, we see 4 cameras, similar arrangement, but with a new camera cutout design. It's nice. Also a Samsung inscription at the bottom. On the left side, there's nothing. At the top, there's a SIM card tray, once again accepting dual SIM cards or a single SIM card, as well as an SD card. We also have a microphone up there as well. On the right side, the volume rockers, a power button which isn't a fingerprint scanner because there's an under display fingerprint scanner. At the bottom, no headphone jack, but we get a microphone, a USB Type-C charging port, and a single speaker grill. On the front, there's a 6.7 FHD Plus Super AMOLED display which supports 120Hz refresh rate but isn't adaptive, so you have to set it manually. It also has an optical under display fingerprint scanner as well as a selfie camera. To the cameras, this is the first mid-range device from Samsung, housing a 108 megapixel main camera sensor similar to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Remember when I said this shouldn't even be a mid-range device? The other cameras are a 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro camera, 5 megapixel depth, and a 32 megapixel selfie camera, of which both the front and back cameras can shoot 4K 30 frames per second. Also comes pre-installed with Android 12, One UI 4.1 with internal storage of 128GB, 6GB of RAM, and can go as high as 256GB, 8GB of RAM. Battery capacity is 5000 mAh battery as well, and it also has IP67 water resistant as well as dust, meaning you can go 1 meter submerged underwater for up to 30 minutes. It also supports 5G, So this is the Galaxy A73 5G. Both these devices also support virtual RAM from Samsung, with the Galaxy A13 getting up to 4GB, whilst the A73 gets up to 6GB of virtual RAM. That's more than enough to keep the phones running smoothly, and they also support 25-watt fast charging.
What do you guys think about these devices? Your first thoughts, your first impressions? What do you think? For me, I really like the colors on the A73, the green color, as well as the blue color on the A13. But if these colors weren't available, what colors would you have wanted these devices to come in? Let me know in the comment section down below. And like I said earlier, this isn't a full review. My full review will come out in a couple of weeks after I've had the time to test out the devices really well to give my honest opinion and honest usage of the devices in detail. If you're interested in that, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon to be notified when those videos arrive. Once again, I'm Desi. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next videos.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.